They say Chicken Road is the ultimate arcade meets crash game. Guide a chicken across a crazy road, dodge cars, watch your multiplier climb, and cash out at the right moment. It sounds like a fun mix of skill and gambling, a quick way to maybe win real money while having arcade action. But in 2026, when apps like this are becoming more popular, the big question is Chicken Road legit, or just another scam disguised as a game? At first glance, the concept seems harmless. It feels like a retro cross-the-road game, but with betting mechanics. You place a bet, start the run, and if you cash out before the crash, you win a multiplier. The gameplay is simple, addictive, and it can feel like you're playing for fun, or real money, depending on the version. But here's where doubts begin. There are several versions of Chicken Road circulating online, some much riskier than others. Not all come from the same developer, and that creates a major trust issue. People online are raising several red flags. On review platforms, some users say it's fun and exciting, but many accuse it of being a direct scam, especially when trying to withdraw winnings. Users report that payouts are almost impossible. Withdrawal requirements increase after initial wins, and lucky winnings disappear when attempting to cash out. A concerning part comes from forum reports. I deposited $100 and I'm waiting for a payout of $700, but nothing happens. This appears in gambling-focused communities, warning that bonuses or earnings sometimes aren't withdrawable. Several users have also noted versions of the app that ask for extra permissions or come from unreliable sources, which is never a good sign. Another big issue is fake versions. Cloned apps use similar names, celebrity endorsements, sometimes deepfakes, and promote exclusive or improved versions of Chicken Road. Some fraudulent apps ask for deposits, promise big money, and then block withdrawals or request personal information under the guise of verification. Transparency is another problem. Not all versions show who is behind the app. Few display gambling licenses or verify that their rounds are truly random using a reliable RNG system. Without this, it's difficult to know if the game is manipulated. On the possible side, some users report playing, winning small amounts, and successfully withdrawing. But those cases seem highly dependent on the version being used. Not all Chicken Road apps are identical. Some may be legitimate, others clearly aren't. So, how real is the risk? Very high, according to many players. Depositing large amounts or expecting easy money could lead to serious issues. Complicated withdrawals, unexplained losses, and encounters with fraudulent versions of the game. My verdict: Chicken Road might be entertaining, but I wouldn't consider it a reliable way to earn money. There's enough risk evidence to suggest caution. If you want to try it, only use money you can afford to lose, and make sure you're using a trusted version of the app. If this review helped you decide whether it's worth trying or not, leave a like, comment, or share so others can be informed. Stay alert, play smart, and remember, not everything that looks fun online is safe.